Wait a second. Do you know you can make money on the crypto space without spending a dime? Some people will say, whoa, this man has come again. But that is very, very true. You can wait. If you're like me sometimes and if you don't want to spend money acquiring any cryptocurrency that is out there, here is what you need to do. So the name of the website is called airdrop.io. I'm going to link everything I'm saying on this video in the description. Do well to check it out. And I've got lots of airdrops that are here. Let me scroll down and you can participate on all these airdrops that are listed here. We've got what the almighty airdrop that is making waves on the internet space. Arbitrum right here. We've got Uniswap that is what $2,300. That's a airdrop. This is literally free money. And what you want to do, you just click on the airdrop right here, and you're going to see several steps that you're going to take in order to get this airdrop done. You can see visit Arbitrum bridge page. All these step-by-step guide. Please don't ever forget that. Follow it through so that you can get free money. This is free money. Now you have known this knowledge, what are you going to do with it? And if you want me to do subsequent video on this, leave me a comment below, like the video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more.